Welcome to GTV. Today we'll be showing you Fluke's 365 series clamp meter. The 365 series is a Cat 3 600 voltage measurement and 200 amp current measurement device with a detachable jaw. With the help of the detachable jaw, accessing wires and viewing the display is much easier than traditional clamp meters. It has a built-in flashlight for illumination, allowing the user to identify wires more easily. The compact design fits in the hand and can be used while wearing protective equipment. The meter measures AC voltage, DC voltage, resistance, continuity, AC current, and DC current. Other features include a backlight display for easier reading, which can be turned on by pushing this backlight button. The device comes with TL75 or TL175 leads for further testing capabilities. Fluke's 365 series clamp meter, along with thousands of other products and services, are available at galco.com.